রাজ্যপাল জগদীপ ধনখড় এসে পৌঁছেছিলেন দার্জিলিংয়ের শৈলশহর রাষ্ট্রীয় সংস্কৃতি মহোৎসবে এবং সেখানে বুধবার যোগদানের পর তিনি কলকাতায় ফেরার পথে বাগডোগরায় সাংবাদিকের মুখোমুখি হয়েছেন রাজ্যপাল জগদীপ ধনখড়। শৈলশহর দার্জিলিংয়ের রাষ্ট্রীয় সংস্কৃতি মহোৎসবে যোগদান করেছিলেন রাজ্যপাল জগদীপ ধনখড়। বুধবার যোগদানের পর এদিন কলকাতায় ফেরার পথে বাগডোগরা বিমানবন্দরে সাংবাদিকের মুখোমুখি হয়েছেন রাজ্যপাল জগদীপ ধনখড়। কি জানিয়েছেন তিনি শুনব।
For the first time, Rajbhavan Darjeeling was open to the people, and for 3 days people in large number attended the cultural festival organized by Ministry of Culture. I was happy to be there at the closing session yesterday. It was a grand extravaganza. This has happened also at Cooch Behar. 900 artists from West Bengal and outside participated. From my side, each of the artists has been given an honorarium of 1,000 rupees extra, and I'm making available an amount of 9 lakhs to EGHSC so that that can be given to the artists as our respect to them. Raj Bhavan Darjeeling's utility for such a function was very desirable. I am happy that it has happened. On 27th of February, we have birth anniversary of great Rajvanshi warrior Chillarai. Chillarai, who is famous historically because he had the agility of Chil, eagle. His portrait will be unveiled at Rajbhavan, Kolkata on 27th February, his birth anniversary. That will be a befitting tribute to one of the greatest warriors belonging to Rajvanshi community and who is respected across the centuries for his valor, for his sagacious approach, for his farsightedness. Darjeeling as a hill station is rightly called as Queen of Hills. It is unbeatable. I hope in times to come there will be more festivals, more sport activities suited to that area also, so that our cultural richness emanates light for everyone else. For the